The Forgotten Letter. In a quiet corner of the small town, tucked away in dusty attic, a forgotten letter lay hidden for decades. It was a letter never meant to be forgotten, a letter meant to mend broken hearts and heal old wounds. The letter had been written by a young man named Samuel, who had left the town many years ago to seek his fortune. He had left behind his childhood sweetheart, Emily, with a promise to return and marry her. But life's unpredictable twist had led him far away, and their communication had gradually faded. Emily waited for years, her hopes slowly dwindling. She never married, holding on to the memory of Samuel and the promise he had made. As the year passed, her friends and family urged her to move on, but she couldn't let go of the love she had felt. One day, as she was cleaning out her attic, she stumbled upon a dusty old box. Among the forgotten relics, she found a letter addressed to her in Samuel's familiar handwriting. Her heart raced as she carefully unfolded the delicate paper and began to read. In the letter, Samuel poured out his heart, expressing his deep love for her and regret for not being able to keep his promise. He explained the challenges he had faced, the places he had traveled, and the struggles he had endured. He spoke of his unwavering love for her and his hopes of reuniting one day. Tears streamed down Emily's cheeks as she read the heartfelt words. She realized that their love had never truly faded, and that Samuel had carried her memory with him all those years. With newfound determination, she decided to track down Samuel. Through old letters, faded addresses, and the power of the internet, Emily managed to locate Samuel in a distant city. She mustered the courage to write back, pouring her own feelings onto paper. Days turned into weeks, and eventually a reply arrived. Samuel's letter echoed Emily's sentiment. He had never forgotten her, and the passage of time had only deepened his love. With hearts reconnected through words, they planned a reunion. Samuel returned to the small town where he and Emily finally embraced. Their love rekindled after years of separation. The forgotten letter had bridged the gap between their past and present. It had brought them back together, reminding them of the love they had shared and the promises they had made. As they stood hand in hand, gazing at the town they had both called home, they knew that their love story was meant to continue stronger than ever before.